The Nike Cortez Textile updates a classic 1970s silhouette with rich textures and modern detailing. Its silt-red upper showcases three-dimensional embroidery that creates soft shadows and adds depth, while a full phantom tone ties the design together with a clean, understated feel. One standout feature is the removable brushed shroud, revealing glossy laces beneath for a layered, customizable look. Nike also includes wide ribbon laces, giving wearers the option to switch up the mood with a softer aesthetic. A light chocolate swoosh contrasts the textured upper, supported by a cream midsole and a deep brown herringbone outsole that brings both grip and heritage style. Blending classic Cortez lines with expressive textile materials, this pair delivers subtle flair and everyday practicality. Ideal for viewers searching for modern Cortez updates, unique textile sneakers, or customizable Nike releases, the Nike Cortez Textile adds quiet depth and fresh character to daily outfits.